Welcome back, fitness and wellness warriors. If you thought our video about meal preparation was a game changer, buckle up, because we're diving even deeper into the world of fitness meal prep. In this electrifying part 2, we're delving into the science behind food and its impact on both your body and mind. Get ready to fuel your gains with knowledge as we uncover the secrets that'll supercharge your fitness journey. Let's dive in. 1. The mind-body connection. Did you know that what you eat can have a profound impact not just on your body, but on your mind as well? We're talking about the mind-body connection. Certain nutrients and foods can affect your mood, focus, and even your overall mental well-being. Get ready to explore the fascinating intersection of food and mental health. 2. The power of macronutrients. Let's get scientific. We're breaking down the 3 major macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats, and examining their roles in supporting your fitness goals. From muscle repair and growth to energy production and hormone regulation, each macronutrient plays a crucial part in your fitness journey. 3. Micronutrients for optimal function. Nutrition isn't just about the big players. Micronutrients are the unsung heroes. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are the tiny powerhouses that keep your body functioning at its best. We'll explore how these micronutrients impact your performance, recovery, and overall health. 4. Superfoods and their benefits. Get ready to power up with superfoods. We're shining a spotlight on foods that go above and beyond in delivering nutritional punch. From nutrient density to antioxidant power, discover how incorporating these superfoods can elevate your fitness journey to new heights. 5. Gut health and performance. Your gut is more than just a digestion machine. It's a powerhouse for overall health. We're delving into the gut-brain connection and how a healthy gut can impact your mood, cognitive function, and even athletic performance. Learn how to support your gut with the right foods. 6. Hydration and energy. Water, the elixir of life. Hydration is paramount for peak performance. We're exploring the science of hydration, how it impacts your energy levels, and why it's crucial for muscle function. Plus, we'll share tips on staying hydrated throughout your intense workouts. 7. Timing your nutrition. Pre- and post-workout meals. When you eat matters just as much as what you eat. Discover the science behind pre- and post-workout nutrition. We're uncovering the best foods to fuel your workouts, support recovery, and maximize gains. Timing is everything, and we've got the science to back it up. 8. Balancing your plate. Building a nutrition-packed meal. Let's put theory into practice. We're crafting the ultimate fitness meal right before your eyes. Learn how to balance your plate with the right proportions of protein, carbs, and fats. Plus, discover how to make every bite a nutrient-dense powerhouse. 9. Mindful eating and its impact. Mindful eating goes beyond counting macros. It's about cultivating a positive relationship with food. Learn how to savor every bite, listen to your body's cues, and foster a healthy mindset around eating. Your mental well-being is just as important as your physical gains. And there you have it, fitness warriors. The science-backed insights into the impact of food on both your body and mind. As you conquer your fitness goals, remember that nutrition is your greatest ally. Smash that like button and hit subscribe to join us on this journey of knowledge and transformation. From the gym to the kitchen, you're armed with the knowledge to take your fitness journey to unprecedented heights. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep fueling both your body and mind for success. Until next time, keep embracing the power of science and nutrition.